Video and how to remember this trigonometric ratios table. Please don't note on the handwriting because that's not up to the mark, but I think you can read it, so there will be no problem in it because that has got nothing to do with in mathematics or maths, whatever you call it. Please don't give to the pronunciation. So I'll be now sharing a feeling with you that when I got first to see this ratios table, I was quite amazed because there were 30 values in it which we have to remember without making any mistake, and absolutely every sum in the when you were introduced to this chapter were be including this table's values. So now I'll be teaching a trick on how you can remember only the sine A's value, and you'll be knowing all the values on the table. So remembering 5 values will give you the value of the other 25. So now that's quite interesting. And the most amazing thing is that remembering the sine's value, I'll also give a trick that will make you remember them better than anything else. So now I'll be now giving you the trick. So yeah, I'll be using a pen to point out whatever I'm trying to say. So picturization is not up to the mark. Please don't see that everything. Only see on the things I'm trying to tell you. Sine A 0, 1 by 2, 1 by under root 2, under root 3 by 2, 1. I want to give a focus on 0 and 1. What do you notice? Smaller value, bigger value, ascending order. Ascending order, that what I mean by that is this is 0, this is 1 by 2, 1 by under root 2, under root 3 by 2, and 1. So this is the smaller value, this is second smallest, third smallest, fourth smallest, and this is the largest value. So all are in ascending order. So please remember it that way: 0, 1 by 2, 1 by under root 2, under root 3 by 2, and 1. So now I want you to make a table like this with having this values written, this one's written, and keeping them all blank. And then we will start to fill it one by one once we go on. So but also, as I have taught you the first step, so please fill this and come back and switch this video on. Then I'll be going to second step, and please be tuned on because I'll be showing you some steps that would never make you confused, and you will remember this table for your whole life long. Please stay tuned. Now I suppose that you have made a table like this and fill the first sine A values. So I am making you revise them: 0, 1 by 2, 1 by under root 2, under root 3 by 2, 1. How that comes? 0 is the smallest value, 1 by 2 is 0.5, 1 by under root 2. That 1 by under root 2 accounts for 1 by 1.44. So that will be more than the value of 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Then under root 3 by 2, under root 3 accounts for 1.7, 1.7 by 2 accounts for 0.85, that is more than 1 by under root 2, and then 1 is the largest value. So now I want you to reverse the values. So for example, sine 90 degree was 1, so put cos 0 degree as 1. 2, and you will be amazed to see the results. 60 sine 60 values under root 3 by 2, I want you to put them in cos 30. Now put this same value over here as the up one. In here put this value. What we are doing, nothing but we are reversing the values. So first we were ascending, if they were in ascending order, now they are in descending order. Now I want you to remember this formula. This formula is quite easy to remember. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. There will be no difficulty for you to understand this, but I want you to write this 5 times so that you will not forget for this for your whole lifetime, because this would constitute for so many important things that you will be doing next in your exercises or whatever you want to do, worksheets. So over here, as you saw, that tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. So here for 0 degree we will do 0 by 1, as their values are 0 and 1. So 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 by 1 by under root 3 by 2. What that accounts for is nothing but under root 3 1 by under root 3. So ain't that easy? Now in this it will be 1, in this it will be under root 3, and this is ND. ND stands for not defined. So how can you write a value that is 1 by 0? So there is nothing there, so that will be ND, that is not defined. Over here, cosec theta. So I want you to remember one more formula for you, that is cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, or sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. But remember the first one, that will give you all the answer. This one, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So here cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, that is for 0 degree it will be 1 by 0. So what is 1 by 0? As we have told you, that can be defined, so that is ND, that is not defined. Over here 1 by 1 by 2, that stands for 2. Then there the same thing, same again, and yes, same. 1 by 1, that is 1. Okay, now as we have filled 4 rows, now we know what the principle stands. Now for sec theta, use the same principle of cosec theta, but in place of sin theta plus cos theta. I will be showing you formula once. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So sec theta, so this will be 1 by 1, that is 1. Then 1 by under root 3 by 2, that is 2 by under root 3. Over here 1 by under root 2, so that will be under root 2. Over here, now fill the table in the same way, 1 by cos theta. So over here 1 by 2, that is nothing but 2. Over here 1 by 0, as I told, that can't be any value that can be multiplied to 0 to get 1, so that is not defined. In the last one, I want you to do the same that you did for cos theta. For cos theta you did sin theta, for tan theta you did sin theta by cos theta. For cot theta I want you to do cos theta by sin theta. As you know that cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. As we know that tan theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, so 1 by tan theta will result in reversing the values of cos theta and sin theta. So the same is written over here neatly, so you can refer to that as well. So I wanted to do that the same cos theta, but so 1 by 0. I told that there is no value that can be multiplied to, so that is ND, not defined. Then put it in the same way and you get the result. So I'll be speeding things right now so that we can save a lot of time. So here we have finished the trigonometric ratios table quite easily. So I want you to write this table at least for 3 to 4 times so that you can remember the things. So this was only a trick for the preference, so you can do it on your own, not referring to the book, but at the end you will have to remember them themselves. So just practice it and you'll get it. On my way, I'll be posting a new video for remembering the periodic tables elements up to 20th according to their weightage. So that will be coming within 1 to 2 days. Wait for the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.